Motorola Gamepad Moto Mod hands-on review. Motorola's Moto Mods are still a work in progress, but at least Motorola is keen on keeping progress going. The latest mod is the Gamepad, and it can turn a Moto Z-series phone into a portable Nintendo Switch-like console. The Gamepad Moto Mod has all the controls you need: dual shock sticks, a D-pad, X/Y/B/A buttons, and dual switches in the left and right top corners. On the back there's a red symbol that illuminates during gameplay. Outside of its styling, what makes the Gamepad Moto Mod better than the myriad of Bluetooth gamepads out there is the seamless connection. Simply snap a Moto Z smartphone into the Gamepad Moto Mod and you're good to go. No setup process and no input lag, plus the magnetic connection feels nicely secure. The Gamepad Moto Mod has its own power, through a built-in 1,035 mAh battery, its own USB-C connection for charging, and a 3.5mm headphone jack, but we found that using the Gamepad Mod in conjunction with wireless headphones on the Moto Z2 Play was a more enjoyable experience.